Chapter 6, Deviance and Social Control. Sociologists use the term deviance to refer to any violation of rules and norms. From a sociological perspective, deviance is relative. Definitions of what is deviant vary across societies and from one group to another within the same society. Norms make social life possible by making behavior predictable. Without norms, social chaos would exist. When a norm is violated, sanctions are imposed. According to the control theory, everyone is propelled toward deviance, but a system of controls work against these motivations to deviate. Labeling theory is the view that labels people are given affect their own and others' perceptions of them, thus channeling their behavior either into deviance or into conformity. There have been some recent changes in the nature of crime. One of the major changes is the growing ranks of female offenders. Conflict theorists note that power plays a central role in defining and punishing deviance. The criminal justice system directs its energies against violations by the working class, while it tends to overlook the harm done by owners of corporations. Reactions to deviance in the United States include everything from mild sanctions to capital punishment. The death penalty is the most extreme and controversial measure the state can take. Many argue that there are biases in the use of the death penalty.